Hello, my name is Rena Barnes. I'm a project designer with Dana King Design Build Remodeling. So we're here today to share and to show a recent kitchen remodel that we've completed in the historic Richmond Heights neighborhood.
Hi, I'm Vanessa. I came to Dana King to get help making my kitchen more functional. And that was difficult to find when I was looking through the other companies. So Dana was the person, well, she can be the person for you to look to.
The client engaged us to come and resolve some solutions in her kitchen, mainly countertop space, storage space, functionality, and just to give it an update.
We removed a partial wall and a doorway that opened up this kitchen to make it lighter. I have more counter space than I know what to do with.
One of the challenges that the client Vanessa brought to us was to maintain these vintage built-in hutches.
I love the old kitchen, the old cupboards that are still here, and I wanted to retain those.
There was also a vintage sink and countertop that we did do away with, but we replaced it with something that she really wanted, which was a dishwasher. Our project manager, Drew, was instrumental in helping us come up with that solution and coordinating it and making the perfect fit.
Hi, I'm Drew Chapman, project manager for Dana King. The built-ins over here, the issues with that would be trying to retrofit or customize into an existing space. Having different heights of the countertops, how we finish that along the side, putting rollouts into the bottom, all of those create inherent issues that are difficult to figure out and retrofit. We also refreshed the existing pieces that remained in place throughout the project. We also cleaned up the hardware on it to give it more of a clean look, but also maintain the old feel.
We talked about how to make the space work for me so that I could have my baking items where I needed them, when I needed them. My mixer, which is a heavy thing that I used to carry around from place to place.
One of my favorite parts of this kitchen design are the elements that we brought in to make baking easier for our client Vanessa. We were able to find space for a lift mixer, and we also tucked it away into a cabinet.
I am very pleased with everything that we've done here. The floors, the lights, wainscoting, everything. It's beautiful.
I want to take this opportunity to thank our client Vanessa for being collaborative. Her design aesthetics and ideas worked wonderfully with what we had to offer, and I just love the finished product.